Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Yellow t-shirt. This is a men's cotton heavy neck round sleeve short sleeve shirt with chest and pocket. Basic, main, slim, fit tee for working every day. You can get this in black. As well, you can this in blue, brown, gray, or white. Size ML, extra large, XXL, and 3XL. We have here high quality cotton and comfort, because this man's t-shirt is made of 95% natural cotton and 5% elastan. The breathable fiber effectively absorbs the moisture and keeps us cool in the summertime, while the stretch content ensures a maximum freedom of movement in everyday life. And thick fabric and foam stability. Unlike other lightweight and transparent products on the market, they are going to use heavy fabric to provide a high quality wearing comfort here. The rubbished seams to prevent the color from wearing out and guarantee that the shirt retains its fit even after many washes. And we have a classic design with a chest pocket. Timeless crew neck combined with a practical chest pocket and a subtle decorative label. This basic tee combines functionality with a modern slim fit that embraces a masculine silhouette with everyday stature. And versatile for every occasion, whether it's a durable work shirt, a sporty top, or a casual undershirt under a jacket. This short sleeve shirt is the ideal companion, available in the classic colors black, white, blue, and brown, as well as the size from M to 3XL. And easy to care for and durable. L&N stands for quality. This shirt's a machine washable and retain the color intensity. And it makes a good look, even on a little bit fat people like me. Man's crew neck shirt with a pocket. Heavyweight t-shirt. This fits for men. Whoa, and it comes with a nice chest pocket. Practical and trendy and flexible. Every shirt offers a performance and a durability to withstand work, weather, and pressure, no matter what comes. This shirt keeps up with us. Fashion, baby. Short sleeve, soft fabric, round neckline, and a stretch thumb. All here with the short sleeve shirt for men. Oh, and it comes everyday comfort to us. And it comes by L&N. It's a t-shirt, a man's cotton heavy neck round sleeve shirt. It's a short shirt for basic, for every day, for a nice look as a man. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. And, of course, you can use this t-shirt also for a nice workout routine every day. As you can see, it matches. It brings you forward. Everyday power with this t-shirt. Thanks to the t-shirt, it smells not so hard. Go on, work harder, work on your body, work on your daily routine. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Tun tun!